In this video we're gonna show you some footage, cinematic footage, how to do with the smartphone, because most of the people don't have any cameras and the only thing they're using is their phone. So let's make this footage and I'll show you behind the scenes how to do that. Currently it's like -5 or 6 degrees, super cold, and our elevation is like 10,000 feet right now above the sea, so that's crazy. Right now we're gonna record with this phone. I wanted to see this footage going from here behind the rock and to show all that view. Look at this lake frozen, and the footage gonna look way better because it's a nice icy and nice beautiful mountains and no snow on the trees. Now I want to show this, all the grass and all the bubbles in here, it looks sick, so let's put that in the footage too. Really cold in here, but that looks beautiful right there.
Так, нас уже, по-моему, все есть.
My subscribers in here. My subscribers. How long we've been walking?
About 3 days by now.
Yeah, it's like another 2 more days to go.
We're still alive.
Subscribe.
If you see this video, then we kind of like make it. We made it.
Subscribe to this guy. This is Boss Jenny. If you guys see his car, oh my god. And then Narine. That's his girlfriend, future wife.
So
One day, maybe I'll record that proposal too.
Nah.
Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how I feel about it. The only reason we're going to that spot is to record that video, like I said, to show you that you can use just your phone to record all the videos and to record the ending, like I'm pulling up and show the view, because that lake, it's huge. It's gonna look good if it's not frozen. I'll do some long exposure, but if it's frozen, that's okay. Still figure out what to do. Oh my god, this wind is insane. Crazy wind. Recording everything on my iPhone because the wind is too crazy. Look at this moose. You guys saw that? I mean, when we came closer, the moose walked away, and some people said...
Proof! Give us proof! Where is the proof?
Some people said that he attacked other people, he tried to jump them, so we stopped and we tried to go there closer and he ran away. Yeah, it was nice. By the way, I'm recording everything on iPhone because I put a 50 mils in here and it was too windy in there, so didn't record anything on the camera, just record a little bit with the phone and that's all. So now we're gonna go to Eastis Park, record some videos there, maybe take some pictures on the phone, and that's all. So I guess today, instead of showing you how all the footage is gonna look on the phone, I'm gonna show you